Hello students and teachers, this is Amit Arora from EcoVisioner. Today I am here to clear all your doubts regarding filling of the OMR sheets. Anything which you want to know about the first term exam, the evaluation, how to attempt the paper, how to fill the OMR sheet, I'll be discussing in this video. Let us see the news which we have received today, what CBSE says. The main news here is the CBSE is to evaluate OMR sheets on the exam day itself. It says कि वो एग्जाम के दिन पे ही वो शीट चेक हो जाएगी बिफोर दे सेंड एंड डिस्पैच इट टू द रीजनल ऑफिस और दे अपलोड द मार्क्स. तो उसी दिन आपका पेपर चेक हो जाएगा. So you have to be very, very careful while doing it. You'll get the, I don't know, you'll get the result on that day. You'll not get the result on that day, but you'll be able to understand कि कितने मेरे मार्क्स आ रहे हैं. So it will be evaluated. थोड़ा सा लोड कम हो जाएगा CBSE का और कंफ्यूजन कम हो जाएगी. It will be checked on the same center, home center. आपके अपने स्कूल में चेक होगा. एक और नई चीज है इसके अंदर जो एक्सप्लेन की हुई है कि we have a square box on the right side. एक कॉलम एक्स्ट्रा बनेगा हमारा. We have a square box in case any student marks the wrong option. उसको लगता है कि मैंने गलत ऑप्शन मार्क कर दिया. Say C. The answer was B. So on the right side square box, you can write B and that will be counted. Your darkened circle will not be counted if you write any alphabet on the in the square box. So be very careful और घबराना नहीं है अगर आपका गलत हो जाता है. So that is fine, but be very careful by writing the option on this in the square box. And it also says, this news also says that we have an additional column which says 60 questions. So where we have to mark where जो responses हमने छोड़ दिए हैं हमें वो भी mark करने पड़ेंगे कि हमने कौन सी options नहीं की हैं. तो वहां पे आपको उसको मार्क करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू डू दैट. यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, ये आपके साथ सामने OMR शीट है. इट हैज आई थिंक 7 कॉलम्स नाउ. One is the number of the question and then ABCD and then the square box and right में अपनी choices जो आपने attempt की हैं और जो आपने छोड़ दी हैं उनको आपको circle करना है. So now I'll be answering all your queries जिसमें आपको जो भी आपकी वो बच्चों ने पूछा. So I'll be covering each and every topic one by one. So all of you know that term 1 is totally MCQ based and OMR based. So be very careful. Don't write anything on the OMR sheet except marking the options. It will be home board center. आपका पेपर आपके स्कूल में होगा. पेपर normally में eco, BST, Pol Science, these papers were 80 and 20 will be having 3 sections A, B, C. Easy to difficult ये travel करता है. Easy to competency based ये travel करता है. So easiest one will be section A. So when take example of eco, it will have 24 questions in section A, 24 questions in section B, and then 12 questions in section C. And you have to attempt 20, 20, 10. Be very careful. Don't attempt all the questions. You will not get extra marks. Each section will have their own choices. 24 में से 20 करने हैं, then 24, 20, and 12 में से 10. So total correct questions will be multiplied by 0.8 in case of BST, Eco and Pol Science as it is 80-20. So imagine you have all the maybe out of 50 you have 40 questions correct. So 40 into 0.8 you will get 32 marks on 40. Similarly, if it is 0.75, 75-25, it will be multiplied by 0.75. And in some science subjects, we have 70-30, so it will be 0.7. So imagine you have correct. आपने 30 options correct mark किए हैं. 30 into 0.7, you will be getting 20 marks, 21 marks on 35. 21 on 35. So that is how it will be scored. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट राउंडिंग ऑफ की जब बात करें तो अगर इमेजिन करें कि हमारे मार्क्स आ रहे हैं 19.2 आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 0.8, इट विल नॉट बी राउंडेड ऑफ टू 19, इट विल बी राउंडेड ऑफ टू द हायर नंबर, दैट विल बी 20. यू विल बी स्कोरिंग 20 मार्क्स. एक्स्ट्रा बॉक्स के बारे में आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. द एक्स्ट्रा बॉक्स इज गिवन इन केस द स्टूडेंट डार्कन द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. प्लीज राइट दैट करेक्ट ऑप्शन, से D, A, B in that square box. So square box will be taken as the final answer अगर आपने कोई गलती कर दी है. Otherwise तो oval boxes will be taken. But if you have written something in the square box, that will be taken as your answer. An extra column to mark the unanswered question will be given on the right side, and papers will be evaluated on the same day at the home center. So before you upload it to the CBSE site, teachers, and before dispatching this to regional office, आपको चेक करने हैं पेपर अपने बोर्ड सेंटर में ही. And key and software will be of course shared by the CBSE. So एक खास न्यूज आई है ये कि आज की इवैल्यूएशन सेम डे पे होगी, और बच्चों को OMR कैसे फिल करनी है, हाउ टू फिल दी OMR sheet. So any other query, please write it in the comment box. We'll be helping you there. And of course, for your free practice tests for the first term, you can download our EcoVisioner app. And also, if you want to buy our MCQ based books, you can go to this number and call this number 9953 682860. Take care. All the best for your exams.